Hey folks, those who are interested in my 1982 FLHP Special, as I had mentioned in my ad, I've owned it since 1985. Did a frame up on it in '09. Put on just about 10,000 miles since the rebuild. Really love this bike, but it's time for it to go. Just want to throw a little video up of a cold startup. As you can see, I just pulled it out from underneath the cover. The exhaust is cold. Like on every typical shovel with a stock carb, you have to pull the choke on, and then I'm going to turn the fuel on the side, and got the ignition, and we'll give it a couple twists of the throttle, and we'll see how she starts up. Warm up. She hasn't been started in a few weeks. There she is. Nice idle. Speedo shows just about 95, 77 on it. I have the original Speedo. The Speedo crapped out a while back. The odometer did. But there she is in all her glory. Thanks for watching.